Hello guys, so welcome back once again today. So today guys, I'm gonna be singing the South African national anthem. So guys, stay tuned and God bless you. So guys, the South African national anthem goes like this. Kosi sikeleli Afrika malufakanyinsu pondowanyo yizwa imitandazo yetu Kosi sikelela hachina lisofowanyo Murena below kese chaba saheso O fedi sedin twali meshenye O sebolo ke ho Sebolo ke se chaba sa ezo se chaba sa South Africa, South Africa. On dem blam van sahemil, on die data van sanse. Ons gewege bagetes, once de kransa atwage. Sounds the call to come together, and united we shall stand. Let us live and strive for freedom in South Africa. Hello guys, so thanks for listening to the South African national anthem and God bless you. Stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to like and comment down below because I'll be checking that out. Peace out.